Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making a trip to Mongolia and we're making this wonderful Mongolian chicken. It's sweet, savory, there's some heat to it, tons of spices. It's by no means authentic, but it's our version. And the great thing is you can make this under 30 minutes. You're gonna love it. So what I've got here are 3 chicken breasts that I've just kind of sliced up, and I'm gonna add in a cracked egg. Well, let's get cracking. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Oops. I kind of plopped out of there. And of course some salt. And pepper. And you know me, I'm a pepper lover. I say that in every video. So I'm going to add quite a bit here. I'm going to go ahead and mix this until it's well combined. Now I'm using my hands, but you know, you can use a spoon if you like. Now I'm going to add some oil to my handy dandy wok here. Now you can just use a frying pan if you want. Add my chicken in. And because of the cornstarch and egg, you might want to go ahead and kind of separate this. And there we go. And we're just going to go ahead and fry this until it's no longer pink. Okay, now our chicken is nicely browned. It smells great, so I'm going to add in a small onion, a thumb-sized ginger, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, and some green onions chopped into about 4-inch sections. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these in. And we're just going to toss these around and saute them until they're fragrant. Oh my goodness, this smells good. Okay, after 2 or 3 minutes, things are looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. I just love hoisin sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar just for some sweetness, and just a bit more liquid, I'd say about 2 tablespoons of water. And of course, for some heat, some sriracha. I just love that word, sriracha. A bit of sesame oil, and we're just going to give this a toss again. This looks and smells so good, guys. After a minute or so, we're pretty much done, so I'm just going to kill the heat, and there you have it, guys, our super delicious Mongolian chicken. Garnish with some green onions, just to give that green effect and a little bit extra flavor. And last but not least, some sesame seeds. Oh my goodness, this looks great. And you're good to go. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. It is indeed sweet, savory, that little bit of heat, the onions, the spices. You gotta try this, you're gonna love it. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Tons of great recipes over there, keep you busy cooking for hours. Thanks for subbing and thanks for watching, and see you next time.